To create a TikTok shop in the Philippines, start by ensuring you have a TikTok account and a business that meets TikTok's requirements. First, go to the TikTok app and navigate to your profile page. Then tap the three dots on the top right corner and select Creator Portal. In the Creator Portal, click on the e-commerce tab and select TikTok Shop. Then click on the Apply Now button. You will be redirected to a page where you need to fill out the application form with your business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. Next, you need to verify your business by uploading the required documents, such as your business registration certificate and identification card. Wait for TikTok to review your application. This may take a few days. Once your application is approved, you can set up your TikTok shop by adding your products, product descriptions, and prices. Make sure to add high-quality product images and videos to showcase your products. You can also customize your shop's appearance by adding a profile picture, cover photo, and bio. To start selling, you need to connect your payment method, such as a bank account or e-wallet, to receive payments from customers. You also need to set up your shipping options, including the shipping rates and delivery times. To promote your TikTok shop, use relevant hashtags and tag your products in your TikTok videos. You can also collaborate with other TikTok creators or influencers to reach a wider audience. Engage with your customers by responding to their comments and messages, and offer excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. By following these steps, you can create a successful TikTok shop in the Philippines and reach a huge customer base. Remember to always follow TikTok's policies and guidelines to avoid any issues with your shop. With the right strategy and execution, you can increase your sales and grow your business through TikTok Shop.